Okay.
I still keep this thing.
You gotta do the Ichiro thing. That's how you got the home run last time.
So you get it into my back.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, nice hit.
I got it on here. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Nice.
Ready?
Yeah.
Nice hit.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, inside.
Oh.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh.
Oh, swing and a miss.
Oh, strike three.
Okay, you gotta swing really, really hard, okay?
Strike and hold it like that.
Yep, you ready?
Like my shoe case like this.
Yep. You ready?
Yeah.
Nice hit.
I got it on here, Daddy.
Ready?
No, foul ball. Way to hang in there, Declan.
You ready?
Yeah.
Woo!
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
I went through you.
Daddy missed it.
Where's that? I went through you.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Sorry.
Sure my mom will get a kick out of that
That was
one.
a good one, buddy. Good job. Ready?
Yeah. There's just something going on.
Outside plate's gonna eat it.
Yeah, wait till Nikki get off of Mikey.
Ready?
Will you?
Nikki, get off Mikey. Ready?
What the heck was that?
Keep watching this. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, watch the ball. Hey, watch the ball.
Oh.
You like the outside one.
I get to go. Good
Ready?
job, Declan.
Good job, Declan.
Hey, quit hitting him at me.
I did.
I
True
know.
lefty. Ready?
Yeah.
You hit it twice. Come on.
Come back here.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, turn a little bit this way. Okay, no, too much.
This?
Yep.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah. It's my swing back. I was swing, Daddy.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Did you see him digging out the like dirt?
Ready? Ooh, wind got that one.
Swing and a miss.
When you swing, go like this. Okay, keep your hands up, okay? Go. Okay?
Okay. I can do it?
You're gonna do it really hard, okay?
Okay.
Like we did this morning. Turn a little bit this way. Okay, ready? No, too much. Too much. Turn around. Come on, dude.
I can't do it. I can't get out.
Yes, you can.
Look at me. X. Hello, they get X shapes. Alex and dogs.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
Got a piece of it.
Swing hard. Harder and harder.
Yeah, like this. Whoa.
Yeah. Okay. Do you like Ichiro? Do you like Ichiro? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got a home run there. I got a home run this morning.
Yes, you did get a home run this morning, all the way to the fence. Ready?
I'm going to do it way over there.
Now do it way over there.
So we can get it.
Yeah, I'll get it if you hit it way over there. Ready?
I can't do it that far.
oh!
I can't do it that far. How about you just
I wasn't even paying
You
attention.
keep practicing, you're gonna get it that far.
How about we just go over it?
No, come on. Ready?
No, I think these just start getting tired.
Okay, you done?
No, let's just which way see. How about?
You gonna stand over here? Okay.
I'm going to do like this.
No, you gotta turn.
You want to pat the other way? There you go.
There you go.
No, put the bat on the other side. There. You got to switch your hands too.
Put your left hand on the bottom.
Yeah, there you go.
No,
No,
other way.
switch them. Just like that.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Ready?
I want to hit it with a fence.
Oh, you want to hit it over the fence?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Oh! I totally.
Stepped into it. Ready?
I'm glad I was facing this way this time.
Yeah.
Ask Mommy to get the ball.
I got some.
Throw me the ball. Throw it. Throw me the ball.
Mom's definitely gonna love that one.
Let's just get tired.
You tired?
No. Me fly.
You ready?
What hot is it?
Scoot over here.
What hot day is it?
Ready?
Yeah. Hey, how about you talk a little bit?
No. Ready?
Oh,
You can get it over there.